Welcome to our Māori language lesson about exercise. Today we'll be learning some useful Māori words and phrases related to the gym. The first word we'll learn is hākinakina, which means exercise. The next is whakapakari tinana, which means to strengthen the body. But as we all know, the gym doesn't only strengthen the body, so the third word is whakapakari hinengaro, which means to strengthen the mind. The fourth word is whakapakari manawa, which means to strengthen the heart, also known as cardio. I know I need it, but boy is it challenging, and I try to avoid it at all costs. We've now learned the general terms for exercises and strengthening ourselves. I think the most important kupu or word for us to learn is the fifth kupu, which is whakapakari hauora, which means to strengthen health or improve health. Man, all this whakapakari talk is making me tired. I'm off to go to visit the kaimirimiri or masseuse. Now that you've learnt some useful Māori words and phrases relating to the gym, you can use them when you're talking about exercises you do at the gym. Tēnā tātou katoa. Thank you all.